In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in Freshbooks. By the end, your invoices will reflect your brand with the right colors, fonts, and logo, so every bill you send looks professional and consistent. Start by opening your browser and searching for Freshbooks. Click the official Freshbooks website, then choose the login option. Sign into your account to reach your dashboard. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll find this in the navigation or near the profile area. From there, open Brand Appearance. This is the hub for visual customization, and any changes you make here will carry through to your invoices and related client-facing documents. Begin with Theme Color. Choose a color that matches your brand's primary hue. If you know your exact color code, use it for perfect consistency. Aim for a shade that's readable against white backgrounds and accessible to your clients. Strong contrast helps headers, totals, and buttons stand out clearly. If you're unsure, pick a color that complements your logo and keep it simple. One strong accent color is usually enough. Next, select your font. You'll see style options like modern or classic. Modern tends to feel clean and contemporary, while classic lends a more traditional, formal tone. Think about what fits your business personality and what your clients expect. Whichever you choose, prioritize legibility. Clear, easy-to-read text reduces disputes and speeds up approvals and payments. Now, add your brand mark. Click Logo to upload your company logo. You can drag and drop the file or browse your device to select it. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background usually looks the best. Make sure the logo isn't too wide or too tall. A balanced square or horizontal version typically sits nicely on the page without overwhelming invoice details. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload. When your color, font, and logo feel aligned, save your work. Click Save Changes to lock in the updates. FreshBooks will prompt you to confirm. Choose Yes, Save. This confirmation ensures your choices are applied across your account. That's it. You searched for FreshBooks and logged in, went to Settings, opened Brand Appearance, set your theme color, chose a font style like Modern or Classic, uploaded your logo, and saved your changes. With these simple adjustments, your invoices now reinforce your brand every time a client sees them. If you ever rebrand, just return to Brand Appearance and repeat the same steps to update your look quickly and confidently.